First of all, it's not the buying that we need. We need the leaders to lead by example. And most of the time I spend in helping the leaders see the problem and then getting agreement on that problem. Because if it is my analysis only or their analysis only, we could be wrong. So what is the problem we're trying to solve? And why is that the right problem to go after? Because most organizations will have more than one problem. Which one is the key one to go after? So we need to get that shared understanding of this is the problem and it's worth going after. The impact of resolving that is high. Let's go after that. Then the next thing is to help the leaders to gain the knowledge they need to know what needs changing. So we need to understand why we are changing, which is, getting that shared understanding of the problem. Then helping the leaders to gain the knowledge to say what needs changing, what is it that we need to change, and then go about how we need to change it, by what method and means are we going to make that change happen. So that's the journey that we need to, I work with the leaders or anybody, to be honest, in an organization. To make that happen, we need to be on the same page. And fundamentally for leaders and the more senior people in the organization, the lean agile transformation journey is about a behavior change. Changing behaviors is not easy. The individual needs to want to do it. We cannot impose behavior change on people. So once they acknowledge that the behaviors need to change because they want better results, then it's for them to sort of say, okay, which behavior do I want to change? And then we can work with them to make that happen. Now we have some tools in our tool set by, the events, the processes. We create conditions for that behavior change to become easier, in as much as, there are things that we say, if you do more of these and less of those, that will help them. But ultimately, the individual needs to want to do it. It cannot be that somebody else has imposed a behavior change on you, because that's not sustainable. You'll do it while that pressure is on. And as soon as people are not looking, you'll go back to where you were, or maybe even worse.